What's up, guys? So we are reviewing Shopify print-on-demand stores using 3D printing, and today we're looking at Dala Design. Dala Design? Looks like they're making cookie cutters, which is a great niche to be in. So let's go ahead and dive right in. 10% off on orders over 50 or more. Code there. Okay, let's see here. The design of the website is great already. I already know. Like clay cutters, well laid out top, consistent, red theme, red cutters. Oh, please, please, please let all your products only be in red. Please, please, please. Yes! Oh, good job. Good job. Only red. That's what you want to do. Not too many color options. These are cookie cutters. People don't need 12 color options for cookie cutters. But size options makes sense. That's a lot of sizes. I don't know who would want a 7.5 versus a 7, because when you're already this big and you go to there, does it really make a difference to you? So that might be a few too many product options. I would recommend going like once every inch at least, and probably once every 2 inches. What are the pricing differences? A plain square with 1 inch rounded corners, multiple sizes. Set of 3 is $29. Good pricing. That is the pricing that you want. Oh yeah, you're not. It's Go in increments of $1 on pricing. $3, $4, $5, $6, and then it's really clean for the customer too. They're like, oh, each inch is $1, which may or may not work. Wait, does that work? Oh, each inch is $1. That's exactly. Oh well, wait. Oh, and the big ones you got bigger, but yeah. I would eliminate like the half-inch ones if it was me, but it seems to be working for you. Let's see here. This shop. Let's see. Description is fine. It could have more SEO inside of it. And then plain square rounded corner cutters. I would get rid of much of this. You don't need plastic 3D printed pottery tool. That's description stuff. In the title, say cookie cutter, clay cutter, earring cutter, something cutter. As many titles as you possibly can of this thing, so people can Google it and find it more readily. But the photography is excellent. The theme, the artwork of the website is great. Good job. Like, this is fantastic. The recommendeds are all good. Yes, you're all red. Thank you so much for being all red. Springfield, Missouri. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, no, this is great. Please allow, 2 to 3 weeks. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. I mean, I assume you're really backlogged with all the stuff, but that's not good. That is probably the biggest bad thing for your store, especially going into Christmas, because you're only going to be able to sell until like the beginning of December, and then you're done. That's going to hurt you. You should really look at a print service. You should look at like the Slant 3D. We have a plugin where you can connect your Shopify store to the Shopify plugin, and then you can match listings to the plugin. And then if somebody purchases that item, we can print and ship it directly for you. That would let you offload a bunch of the work and increase the time, because you get access to hundreds of machines. Red is one of the colors in there. It's super easy to do. Cookie cutters are not hard to make, so that's reliable. I would still recommend printing some test prints and that kind of stuff just to be sure, but it's easy. With all these options, you have kind of a lot of admin work to get done, so I wouldn't recommend that. But maybe some of the more popular items that you don't really want to have to deal with, you can connect, like the square 4-inch one that everybody buys to like Slant 3D, and then all of that gets ported over to us, so you don't have to deal with it anymore. That can help a lot in getting products out the door quickly, so that you don't have this lead time that is going to cut off like 30% of your Christmas sales. You can get all those Christmas sales back and not have to make the parts yourself to do it. So I really recommend looking at that, because it's hurting you right now doing it all yourself, because you have to take photography and listings and create all these listings and keep the consistency and help all the customers, all that kind of stuff, and print and pack and ship and all that stuff too. So outsourcing that would let you grow and take some of the stress off of you there. So I recommend that. Let's see here. How are you guys doing? Let's owner, designer, and hobby printer. Debbie, Jeff, husband, family. Okay, so it's a family business. Oh, congratulations on that. This is a really good thing. Friend of Deb's. Well, congratulations on having a family business that is successful, where you can bring all these folks in and have them involved in it. That's really great. But even so, with all those folks helping out, you've got 2 to 3 week lead time. So you might want to look at options for helping with that. What are the other product categories? Texture rollers. Oh, these are cool. These are really cool. Stamps, all stamps. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a really good product category, because this is a product category for everybody watching. These are so useful because you can create hundreds of listings. So like if I just go and shop, there's 900 products. It's really tough to make 900 products. If this was made with, you couldn't do this without 3D printing. It's impossible. You would have to get a mold or a die for each one of these things. Each cost $1,000, so they would have $900,000 of startup cost just to get rolling. But with 3D printing, they can just get rolling. And then they can take the popular item and expand it. So like right now, these squares, they have these core groups of squares. Do I have a popularity kind of one? No, I can't sort by like reviews or anything like that. Oh, I want to see what the highest price is. From lowest reset, from 100. Is there anything that expensive? Oh, nice. Oh, a mystery box, just full of cut. Oh, what a great idea. Because if you have any extra cookie cutters, you can throw them into the mystery box and send them off to folks. So you kind of get rid of your excess stuff. You can't do that with defects, but yeah, excess stuff. That's a good idea. De La Design, man, like you guys are doing it right. This is such a great example of a 3D printing business. High variation, high selection, not high variation, high selection. High variation inside of it, but it's a very easy variation to create. No, this is great. This is really, really great. Congratulations, guys. This is fantastic. Oh man, I don't have many bad things to say. The photography is good. The design of the website is good. The colors are consistent. You guys are making your life easy to where you just buy a bunch of red filament rather than a ton of variations. And it doesn't matter because they're cookie cutters, but you are also branding yourself and you're very down homey. Just all this looks great. The one thing I would say, the thing that's glaringly hurting you is that if you could get that down, you would increase your conversion rate and get 2 more weeks in your Christmas season. So look at outsourcing, something along those lines, because I get it. It's tough to print a lot of this stuff and ship it all and everything else. It turns into a bunch. So look at potentially outsourcing that. But beyond that, this store looks excellent. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Congratulations on the success.